Hello everyone and welcome back to the Breakdown How-To. Today I'm going to be teaching you guys how to install FTB Pyramid Reborn in Minecraft 1.12.2 here. That's what the version this one's for. It might update it over time and it might change, but today we're just doing Pyramid Reborn. Beat the beast. Awesome stuff. But before we get into that, I want to remind you to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more incredible Minecraft how-to content every single week. Also, be sure to check out the breakdown.xyz/MC server. First link down below to get an awesome 24-hour DDoS protected Minecraft server running any of these awesome FTB mods, including FTB Pyramid Reborn, for just $5 per month. As you can see, you can play this even solo, or you can play it with 3 friends, right? Why not set it up on a server over at the breakdown.xyz/MC server and play it with friends? Again, you can check that out at the first link down below. But how do you get this mod installed? Well, you want to go to the second link down below, and it will take you here, where you want to click on the big red download now button, and it will download the Twitch launcher. But wait, I thought we were doing FTB here. Well, Twitch owns CurseForge, and CurseForge owns FTB, and thus this is ran through the Twitch app. We can, once it's downloaded, minimize our browser, and here it is on our desktop. This isn't on your desktop. Hit the Windows key on your keyboard and R at the exact same time. Type in downloads, just like that, and hit enter. It will be here in your downloads folder. You can take that and drag it to your desktop for ease of use. Once it's there, simply double click on it. It will then open up a easy little installer window for us here, where we can click on the purple install button and it'll get things installed. It should then open up the Twitch app for us. If it doesn't, you can hit the little icon it created over here on your desktop and do that. Also, you'll probably have to log into your Twitch account here. I don't have to do that because, well, I've already logged in, but you will probably have to log in to your Twitch account. Once you have, you can come up to the Mods tab up here in the top, right next to the search bar, and then click on Minecraft right here. Then you want to come over and browse FTB mod packs. Then just simply type in the search bar right here, Pyramid, right there, FTB Pyramid Reborn, and then click on the purple install button on the photo. It will now install this awesome mod pack and get things ready to go. I will see you guys once it's done downloading and installing FTB Pyramid Reborn. And there you go, it is finishing up, and once it does, you can go ahead and click the purple play button that is in the same place as the install button was. Once you've clicked that purple play button, it will open up the Minecraft launcher, where you may have to log in. You might have to enter your Minecraft email and password. Not a problem there. It's the same email and password that you used to log into the normal default Minecraft launcher. Next, you can come down here, make sure it says FTB Pyramid Reborn. If it doesn't, just click the green arrow here and click on FTB Pyramid Reborn. Then click play. It might have to download some more stuff and do things like that, but overall, the mod pack is now installed. It's going to take a while to launch up here, guys. It takes a long time to launch 104 mods, which is what's in this mod pack. So be ready for that. But while we're waiting on this, be sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel. At this point, the mod pack is pretty much installed. I'm going to show you guys that it's working for me and all of that stuff. But overall, for you, the mod pack should be working and functioning properly. So be sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel. We're a new community here. We're building it from the ground up, so we really would love to have you. So thank you very much in advance for doing that. But nevertheless, I will see you guys on the Minecraft main menu after everything's initialized and installed. And boom, there you go. We are now in the Feed the Beast Pyramid Reborn main menu. We can click on mods here and see the over 100 mods that were installed. We can also launch into single player here and create from temple and do all that stuff. Boom, boom, boom. It's kind of different to create a new world for this because it is using a custom map here. So it's downloading the map right now in order to launch everything and get everything done correctly. I'll see you guys once that's done. A lot of waiting whenever you're first downloading and installing these mod packs. So I'll see you guys, like I said, once this is done. There we go. World is downloaded. We can now click play on it, and it will be the awesome Feed the Beast Pyramid Reborn mod. This is a really unique mod because it actually follows specific things that you need to do. There's no, well, there is freedom, but not as much as like just playing Minecraft, right? It's a different kind of modded Minecraft. So as you can see there, already starting off differently here. Got our stuff there. It's freaking awesome, guys. I will see you guys next time. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. And again, be sure to subscribe to the channel. It really does mean the world to us. Thank you very much in advance for doing that. I am out, guys. Peace.